Hope it's gonna be better for you like this. So it's a little bit tough, but if you get it, you will love it. Okay, so I go in front and then I will twist it. See, that one is there. The black is under this one, and I will grab it and put it here. It's not easy, I know. You cannot see anything anyways. Okay. Okay. There. See, you go one in the front, one in the back. It's easier to do it when you're not on the camera. So you will be better than me. I'm sure. Oh, and you will do 5 rows like this. But if you can't, don't worry. Just go with one contrasting color to do the ribbon of the hat, and it will be okay too. Don't worry about that. Always a solution. See, I will just twist like this. Be careful not add too much tension on it. One done. One row done. So we'll continue. Like I said, it's easier when you don't have a tripod on your face and then video on your head, camera video on your head. I should take a picture of myself when I do video. I think you could laugh. Two rows. Woohoo! Always make sure you do the twist. Make sure you don't have two of the same color twice. On the second row, you will see, you will have the, if you go on the black on black and red, not red, but pink on pink, so you did right. If it's not, you miss one. I'm so far from the machine. Oh la la. Okay, I will continue. Four. Just another one to go. There, I got the 5 rows with the pink added. So I cut it and I will put it in the middle. Open my yarn feeder and put my black yarn again in it. There's a little bit like that. So I put my counter 20 again, and now I will do 3 rows of white, not white, black.